When it comes to ending the year with instant nostalgia, why should Google or Facebook be the ones having all the fun? Hey, I'm Mike Janela for Buzz60. It is indeed the time for everybody's year in review, and for the first time ever, Wikipedia is joining the fray. Highlighted by popular imagery from its freely licensed Wikimedia Commons, the Edit 2014 video covers the more than 100 million edits made to the site throughout the year. All the most popular 2014 topics are featured, from the World Cup to the unrest in Ferguson. The video even takes viewers down some patented Wikipedia wormholes, like going from the Ice Bucket Challenge to ALS, to immunotherapy, to immune system, to HIV, to West Africa, to Ebola. And anybody who's visited the Star Wars page at 1 AM only to somehow end up 45 minutes later on how One Direction was formed knows exactly what I'm talking about. Ebola searches are shown in English, French, Chinese, and more, showing how the virus transcended language before the video's in memoriam section of influential people who died this year. The end asks viewers to edit history. It's an instant time capsule for sure, but there's something missing for that extra Wikipedia touch. Right, citing all your sources. Buzz60, now you know, pass it on.